Student, today we are going to learn the topic linear equations in two variable. In this topic, we are going to learn elimination by equating the coefficients of the variables. You have known the linear equations in two variable, that is the every variable having the highest degree as 1, and when we have to solve the given equations, two equations, at that time we are using different methods. Between that, today we are going to learn this one method. Let us take one example for that, then you can understand how to eliminate by equating the coefficients. The question in examination may be like this: solve x plus 7y is equal to 10 and second equation 3x minus 2y equal to 7. These are the two equations you have to solve. Now you have to observe this equation carefully. What you have to observe? You have to observe what is the coefficient of x here. Coefficient of x is 1. What is the coefficient of y? Here is plus 7. Here coefficient of y is minus 2. Coefficient of x is 3. Look carefully here and tell me, can you say that here the x variable in both these two equations having the same coefficient? The answer is no. Here x coefficient is 1 and here is 3. I am going to equate. Equate means making the equal. And then we are going to solve. What is the profit of equating the variables coefficient? The profit is that you can add or subtract and then that variable vanishes from that two equation. This is the profit. And so that is the one method. Now you can have here in these two equation. Let us give the number to these two equation as 1 and 2. I am saying this is the 1, this is the 2. And we are going to equate the coefficient. I am going to multiply equation 1 by 3. Then I am going to subtract that equation from the equation 2. Let us see what will happen. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and subtract from 2. Let us multiply equation 1 by 3. So we can have 3 into x, 3x. Now 3 into 7, 21. Y is equal to 3 into 10, that is 30. You have 30 here. You have to subtract from equation to this one equation. Let us see equation 2. I am going to write down like this: 3x minus 2y equal to 7 in the upper part. Now you have to subtract, so changing signs. Here plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. Here minus 2y minus 21 you get minus 23y. To the right your subtraction minus 23. Because 7 minus 30 is minus 23. Now carry this minus 23 to the right. You get minus 23 upon minus 23. The value is plus 1. Now you have eliminated variable x. Now put the value of this y. Y is equal to, what is the value of y? Y is 1. And put this y in equation 1. In equation 1. What is that? That I am going to write down. X plus 7y equal to 10. You have to put x is equal to y is equal to 1 in this equation. So here x as it is plus 7 as it is. What is y? Y is 1. So I am going to write down into 1, that equal to 10. Now here यहाँ x plus 7 is equal to 10, and therefore carry that 7 to the right. You have 10 minus 7. Doing the subtraction, 10 minus 7 is 3. So in this way, the value of variable is x3, value of variable y is 1. Look again how we have equated coefficient. Here we have here 3x, 3x. That is, we have equated. How we have equated? We have multiplied equation 1 by 3, and then we have subtracted it from 2. So this is the equation number 2, and this is the equation number 1, which is multiplied by 3. Then x vanishes, we get y. Substituting that value y, then you get the value of x. At the last, you have to write down solution is equal to xy is equal to, first one x is 3 and y is 1. In this way, today we will learn what? Eliminating by equating the coefficients of the variable. By this method, we can solve linear equation in two variables. The next method we are going to see in the next